Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. Today is the day after Thanksgiving, and we have leftovers, just like you guys do probably. So, we're going to do something completely and totally different than you've probably ever heard of before. We're going to make Thanksgiving egg rolls. Yep, Thanksgiving egg rolls. Something that my husband's family does. I don't know if they have done it for a while, but we've done it a couple times with them. So we haven't done it for about, oh gosh, I don't know, 5 years or so. And it's just the two of us, and we've got a lot of leftovers, so it's something that we're going to do. And we have our egg roll wrappers already done. And we have our little water for sealing the egg roll wrappers. We have our turkey mixed with the stuffing, mashed potatoes, and some yams. So what we're going to do, and these are just mashed yams with butter, they're not candied yams or anything, but you can use whatever you have left over. So all we're going to do is fill some of this, and there's no gravy in there, but you can put gravy. We're going to show you what we do with the gravy after. So all of this is mixed. You can add some extra salt and pepper, extra seasoning to it, whatever you guys want, and we'll show you what we do. Okay, so I am doing the filming. My husband's gonna be doing the egg rolling. We're just having fun over here, you guys. It's just us for the holidays. Well, for Thanksgiving anyway. We've had a...
This is the only holiday there is.
I know you guys have asked for him to be in my videos, so here he is. We're not showing faces today.
Not even showing hands.
I don't know what you're doing, but okay. I don't know why. I don't know why he has the gloves on, you guys. Don't know.
I'm being sanitary.
Okay, well, I wash my hands when I do videos. I mean, when I do all of our food, but, you know, that's a lot. Okay. Okay, food is on the egg roll wrapper. He's going to show you the precise way to roll an egg roll, right? Are you going to put water on it?
Is that why I'm here?
That's why you're here.
That's why I'm here.
Okay. You going to put water on it or no? Egg roll wrapping. See, I would do it with egg whenever I do egg rolls. But, hey, you're the egg roller.
You would do it what with egg?
I would put egg roll. Or
to seal it?
Yeah, to seal it.
You would be doing it wrong. You use water to seal. You use egg roll.
You mean egg. So you're doing the same
Use
thing.
egg on the egg roll if you're going to bake it in the oven to make it brown. We're going to deep fry it. We don't need egg at all.
Okay. Want to show them one more? Or no? Or you just want to show them how to deep fry?
The pan's big enough for two. We will make two.
We'll do two. Okay.
That one's yours. It has sweet potato in it.
Oh, gotcha. Doesn't that look good, you guys? We have fun, tell ya.
Diane's husband doesn't eat sweet potato.
Yeah, well, he don't.
She forgets that sometimes, but I don't.
I thought you were putting it in both. We're going to make a bunch of these, because we'll eat them tomorrow for lunch, too.
I am making two while Diane is videoing, and then she gets to make the rest.
Okay. My back hurts, remember?
Yes, Jack is into fairy tales.
My sweet guy. This is
I
really
won't
good.
put that much in mine. I'm on a diet.
Yeah, right. You don't need to be on a diet.
I'm trying to gain weight.
My 6'2" husband is not on a diet, you guys.
Where's the cat?
He's sleeping. Noah.
The cat needs to get on some of these egg rolls.
What?
No?
No, he's just going to beg for turkey later on.
He gets in on every other meal.
He has his own channel, remember?
Oh,
Noah's
okay.
Perfect Life.
We'll put it on his channel.
Egg rolls? Yeah.
Yes. We'll put egg rolls on his channel.
Okay. So, there's the two egg rolls.
Now, how do you tell the difference between mine and yours?
The way you rolled it. I see that. Mine looks like a little burrito. And yours doesn't. Yours looks a little bit different. Oh, he's going to put different colored toothpicks in it, you guys. Look at this. See, doesn't he bring so much more fun to my channel? I'm so boring compared to him. I just show you guys how to do stuff, and he makes it fun.
I can't get the right
He's trying to get different colored toothpicks.
No, I'm just trying to get one. That's not gonna.
Okay. Oh. Yours is having a toothpick. Okay.
That's mine.
Got it.
And why does mine have a toothpick?
So you can tell which one it is? I don't know. Why does yours have a toothpick?
So I can clean the egg roll out of my teeth.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So, here I'm going to put this...
The dentist appreciates that.
We're going to bring it over to the stove now. Okay. Woo! Awesome. So, then our cast iron pan. Do you have somewhere to cook them? Nope.
Oh, yes.
Not on top of my turkey jars.
I do.
Let me move these aside. Turkey that I canned last night is right here, you guys.
I can't believe we're not eating that for dinner.
I'm not going to have these for dinner. This is for later. Kidding? We have fresh turkey. This is for later. We don't have any fresh turkey. Okay, where are we putting these egg rolls? They're brown already. They're brown.
In my tummy.
They're brown on the bottom. I can see it. Mine is brown.
Well, then I'll turn mine over. It's not brown.
Yeah, mine's brown. Mine's closer. There you go. Oops.
Shit. Excuse me.
Uh-oh.
Didn't mean to say
Uh-oh.
that. Your turkey must have been warmer than mine.
I do not use that kind of language on my channel. Nobody
I'm sorry.
has ever
I don't
done that
like
on my
making
channel.
a mess.
Okay, sorry guys.
Which one has the hole
Okay,
in
it turned over.
it? Forget which one's mine.
Which one's yours? Mine's the burrito. That one's yours right there. That one's yours.
Yep, it is. It has the hole in it.
Yep. Mine looks like a burrito.
And mine looks like an egg roll.
Yours looks like an egg
Just
roll.
what it is.
Okay, so we're gonna let these cook and then we'll bring you back.